I'm Justin with Holiday World RV at Dallas, and today we're going to be going over my new favorite floor plan for Keystone, the 2022 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL. So hang with me and we'll go over the features together. So quick overall specs on this unit. It is 39 foot 6 inches long, dry weight of 11,260 pounds. Gross weight or loaded weight rating of 14,000 pounds, and it's riding on 4 E-rated tires. Starting off up front, this unit is equipped with the Road Armor pivoting head hitch. So instead of a solid steel girder connected to your truck beating you to death going down the road, this head pivots on this rubber bushing here to smooth out the ride for you, just underneath the convenience backup mirror and docking light. One thing I want to note real quick: every light that you're about to see turned on in this unit is being powered solely by the solar panel that Keystone has installed. There is no battery in this unit, and we are not hooked up to shore power. Everything that you'll see is being powered by the one panel. As I said before, there is no battery installed in this unit. Down here in the alcove, you got your spare tire, access to your front leveling jack should you need to do any maintenance, and like I said, there is no battery in this unit. Up front on the roadside, you have one of the 2 propane tanks. This is where you keep them. The other one being on the opposite side, of course. Down in the pass-through storage, you got access to your wet bay, all of your cable inputs, outdoor shower, water inputs, and tank drains are located here, along with the Sam solar charge controller. If you got your own panel you want to bring with you, put it up there. The massive inverter Keystone is supplied. That thing's sole purpose is to convert the 12-volt power from your battery into onboard 110 power for the residential refrigerator installed on this unit and a select few of the 110 outlets. The smart solar charge controller, that's taking care of all the business of bringing the power from the solar panel and putting the charge on the battery. Just underneath there, the auto level system. This one is equipped with 4-point electric auto level. Further down from there, you've got your 6-gallon RV electric and gas water heater, access panel to your furnace. Here's your rear electric leveling jack. And for the rear bath, the black tank dump. Sewer hose storage, freshwater tank drain, and your freshwater connection for your onboard water tank. Here at the rear of the unit, you've got your 2-inch receiver. It is rated for 300 pounds. This is not for actually towing an extra trailer, for tripling up, as they say. This would be for an exterior cargo rack. You can put grills, coolers, and a generator on. Your 50-amp hookup. Access to the underbed storage. Full LED running and indicators. Your access ladder for your walkable roof. And like all Keystones, it's already prepped to be wired up with a backup camera. Here we've got the outdoor kitchen. I don't want to get too far into this and make a mess. Pretty cool little grill top there. Drinks fridge. What I like about this unit is you've got 2 awnings. So we've got the rear awning here over the rear entry door, and a second awning over the main entry door. Sorry for the cramped space. We're moving units around here at the lot. Both of these awnings have LED lights. And for while you're cooking, here you've got your external shower with hot and cold for washing your hands and washing veggies off. At the front, on on the opposite side here, or campside, curbside, whatever you prefer to call it. Access to your other propane tank and regulator. And the other access door for your pass-through storage. In-command relay bank. And as I said in another video, that large inverter up there will supply power to the refrigerator, which is residential and runs on 110 only, and select outlets that have these stickers on it. If it has the yellow sticker on it, the inverter will power those outlets. Of course, your cable and satellite hookups for your external TV. Coming into the unit, just to the left here, we've got the kitchen area with the large kitchen island. Nice little spice rack down there. Brushed nickel gooseneck faucet with dual sinks. Here on the left of the kitchen island, got your drawers. Nothing really exciting there. Tons of storage though. Here in the kitchen slide, got a 3-burner cooktop, all gas. Same for the oven. A little bit of storage to the left. Some pots and pan storage underneath. Really large RV microwave. A little bit of overhead storage. To the right of all of that, the giant Hair residential refrigerator. Double door with reefer on top and freezer down below. Got this nice backlit storage cabinet in here. Cool accent lights up there, all LED. Large 4K TV above a really large panoramic fireplace. Got the Furrion sound system. Another cool feature in this unit is this massive pantry. You could live in this sucker. They've got the cool little motion activated light there. It came on before I started the video, otherwise you would have seen it kick on when I walked up. I just think those are a nice touch. Trying to get a nice wide angle view here from the kitchen of the sofa slide. You've got your theater seats down here, just inside of these large windows. 4-seat dinette, converts down into a bed. Theater seats with your 2 cup holders. Little storage area for your remotes. And these seats have accent lights, massage, and heat, with a USB charge port for cell phones and tablets. Lighting here is controlled by your switch with a dimmer. Of course, it's not working as good as it should because we're only running on solar power right now. Like these stylish little overhead lights they got here over the dinette. It's a nice touch. Coming up the steps into the bedroom, you got your motion activated footlight, handrail, your touchpad in command system. So from here you can control everything in your unit. These are switches for your accent lights. Carrying on into the bedroom, just past the bathroom, which we'll go over here in a minute. Got storage on either side. More storage down below. And a ton of underbed storage. Automotive style windshield for a nice view when you're laying in bed. Cool little nightstand area here with push button puck lights. As I said earlier, Those are inverted outlets, USB charge ports on both sides. This unit has the Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet air conditioners. Wardrobe here in the slide next to the bed. Here on this wall, control switch for the lights and mounting position for a TV in the bedroom, power outlets, cable and satellite hookup. Coming from the bedroom into your bathroom, nice big radius shower. I've had a lot of people tell me they worry about shower height, and although a nice feature, as you can see, adds a lot of natural light, the skylight itself will actually help with headroom. It's a convenient little feature that most people overlook when they look at the roof line in the shower. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Barn door entry from the hallway. Nice little brushed nickel faucet here in the bathroom. Your vanity. Don't mind this stuff. We get these units fresh from the factory. They don't have time to actually go through in detail, and that's what we here at the dealer do. This one hasn't been detailed yet or fully put together, so toilet paper rolls, your stopper for your faucet are all stored here from the factory when it's shipped. Here in the hallway, as I've said in other videos, that is your wiring hookup for your Wi-Fi router should you choose to get one. So you just get the router, remove this cover, wire it together, install it on the roof, get your SIM card, and you've got Wi-Fi. Leaving the bedroom, heading towards the rear of the unit, we've got the thing that makes this my new favorite floor plan. The guest quarters. So here in the guest quarters, you have obviously a queen size bed with wardrobe and a queen size loft for the kiddos up top. Now, it is an 800-pound capacity loft, so a grown-up could sleep up here, but he'd have to be in a lot of trouble to have to sleep here versus the bed. Getting a better view of the loft area. Kiddos will have a view of the campsite or the lake if you're backed up to one out the rear window. They have TV hookups, USB charge ports, cable and satellite hookup, and power. There'll be a mounting position there for the TV for the kiddos, and their own little storage for their DVDs or their toys. Moving down into the wardrobe, large area there, tall enough for clothes. Each one of these having drawer storage also. .110 outlet, USB charge ports. All the way around the unit we've got blackout blinds. And that storage area that I showed at the rear of the unit has double access underneath the guest bed. So there's the door going outside. So anything you put in from out there, if you want access to it on a rainy day, you can simply come back here, raise the bed, and get right to it from inside. Another cool feature back here, this unit comes with a half bath. Porcelain foot flush toilet, towel hanger, of course your outlet for your shavers, more brushed nickel. And their very own entry and exit door with screen. To get an idea of the size of this area back here, the guest quarters as I'm calling it, you can see it's a large room with a full roof. And again, the kiddos upstairs in the loft up here having the hookup for their TV, the guests will also have an available mounting location for another TV with power and cable and satellite hookups as well. So they've got this unit listed for $92,329. If you like this unit or any other of the units on my channel and want some more information, don't forget to hit me up. I'm Justin at Holiday World RV at Dallas. Don't forget to subscribe to that channel because more videos coming soon. Y'all have a great one.